Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 10th class maths, similar triangles, and in this similar triangles 8.2, 4 sums I have done. Now 5th sum I am doing. This is the figure they have given. In this figure, what they have given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. They have given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and CM and RN are the medians. CM and RN are medians. What do you mean by median, children? Median means it is a line which divides the base into equal halves and it bisects the vertical angle. So it is CM. CM is median of triangle ABC. RN is the median of triangle PQR. Now you have to prove that first bit triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR, and second bit is CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ, and third bit triangle CMQ is similar to triangle RNQ. These are the three bits that you need to prove. So let us see one by one. I am proving the first bit. We know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given to us. When these two triangles are similar, then what you can say? Their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to BC by RQ. Okay. Now I am taking these two. AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. This implies AC by PR is equal to half of AB by half of PQ. I can write it like this because when this ratio is same, half of them also will be equal. What does this imply, children? AC by PR is equal to half of AB is AM by half of PQ is PN. Why? Because CM and RN are medians. Because they are medians, you could say, because it is only the median which has got the property of dividing the base into two equal sides. So AC by PR is equal to AM by PN, and also angle A is equal to angle P. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, what you can say? Therefore, you can say that triangle ACM is similar to triangle PNR basing on side angle side corollary. We have proved that this by this AC by RPR is equal to AM by PN, and angle A is equal to angle P. So side angle side property, we could prove this. This is the first bit, children. And second bit, what they are asking, you need to prove that CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ, you should prove. Now we know that triangle ACM is similar to triangle PNR. Just now we have proved. When they are similar, their sides are proportional. So, these are the two triangles ACM, PNR. So, what you can say, AC by PR is equal to CM by RN is equal to AM by PN. Now, corresponding sides are proportional. AC by PR is equal to CM by RN is equal to AM by PN. Now, here we have to concentrate on CM by RN and AB by PQ. So, CM by RN, this implies CM by RN is equal to AM by PN. This also implies CM by Rn is equal to 2 times of AM by 2 times of PN. Why am I writing this? Because I want AB. AB is nothing but double of AM. Okay, so this means what? This implies CM by Rn is equal to AB by PQ. So this is first proof, hence proved. I have not forgotten to write here. Second proof I have proved, children. This is second one. So I hope I am clear. First proof is up to here, and this is the second proof. Now third proof is you have to prove that triangle CMR is similar to triangle RNQ. So, how can you prove that? Triangle, we know that BC by RQ is equal to AB by PQ. You can write this because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given to us. So, BC by RQ is equal to AB by PQ. This means BC by RQ is equal to half of AB by half of PQ. So what is half of AB by half of PQ? BC by RQ is equal to half of AB means I can take MB, MB by NQ, MB by NQ, MB by NQ. Also, angle B is equal to angle Q. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, what you can say? Triangle CMR. Therefore, triangle CMB is similar to triangle, what they have asked, third bit, CMB is equal to, this is B, is equal to RNQ, triangle RNQ, basing on side angle side property. You have proved the third bit in this way. Please note it down, children. This is fifth problem. Now, let us see sixth one. Problem is this. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O. Using the criterion of similarity for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. You will understand this problem only when you draw the trapezium. So, let us consider this is a trapezium in which This is A, B, C, D. These two are parallel. AB is parallel to DC, they said. So these two are parallel. AB is parallel to DC. And diagonals ACC. AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. They are intersecting at a point O. So you need to prove OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So what is given to us? You have got ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD are diagonals and AC intersects BD at O. This is given to you. What is RTP? You need to prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now let us see the proof. For this proof, let us take two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. So, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, in these two triangles, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? They are vertically opposite angles. And in triangle AOB, angle OAB, or we can write simply angle A. Anyway, angle OAB, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. They are alternate angles. See children, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD because AC is a transversal. These two are alternate angles, so they are equal. And angle ODC and angle OB, angle OBA. Angle OBA is this angle. Angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Angle ODC. Basing on the same thing, that is, this is a transversal. So these two are alternate angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD basing on what is the criteria? Angle, angle, angle criteria. Children, we can just by taking two angles we can say that they are similar. But basing on angle, angle corollary. But in the problem using the criterion of similarity, he said. Criterion you have learned angle, 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 side angle, side angle, side. So basing on that you have to prove. That is why I have proved in this way. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. When two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Hence, proved. This is the proof of this problem, children. This is sixth problem. Please note it down. Now, seventh problem. This is the figure given to you. What is given to you? AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. This is BD. AB, CD, PQ all are perpendicular. The symbol indicates that they are perpendicular. AB is X, CD is Y, PQ is Z. So you have to prove that triangle 1 by X plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. So let us see this. We will be taking first in triangle ABD and triangle PQD. ABD and PQD. In this, angle B is equal to angle Q, 90 degrees perpendicular they have already given. And see, this is the triangle. So angle D is common. Angle D is equal to angle D common. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD basing on angle corollary. So basing on this angle corollary, you can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. What do you mean by this? Their corresponding sides are proportional. So first I will write PQ, smaller triangle. PQ by AB is equal to QD by BD. PQ by AB is equal to QD by BD, corresponding sides. What does this implies? PQ is Z by AB is X is equal to QD by BD. Let us consider this as the first equation. Now we will see this triangle, that is in triangle I told about ABD, no? So now I am talking about in triangle BCD and triangle BPQ. BCD and triangle BPQ. What you can say? Angle D is equal to angle Q, 90 degrees, and both of them are having angle B as common. Therefore, triangle BCD is similar to triangle BPQ basing on angle corollary. So when they are similar, I can say that PQ by CD, PQ by CD is equal to BQ by BD. What does this implies? PQ means Z by CD means Y is equal to BQ by BD. This is the second equation. Now let us add these two, first equation plus second equation. First equation is Z by X plus Z by Y is equal to QD by BD plus BQ by BD. So when you see RHS, LCM is BD. So numerator will be QD plus BQ. That is nothing but BD by BD. See, QD plus BQ is nothing but BD. That means these two will get cancelled. You are getting 1. That means Z by X plus Z by Y is equal to 1. Here you take Z as common. Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1. This implies 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. This is the proof. You have proved it in this way. So please go through it, children. This is 7th sum. Now 8th sum, children. A flagpole 4 meters tall. A flagpole 4 meters tall, casts 6 meters shadow. Casts 6 meters shadow. At the same time, a nearby building a nearby building casts a shadow of 24 meters. How tall is the building? How tall is the building? So, one thing we can understand here, children, definitely the building height will be more than that of the flagpole height, and they are in a straight line. That, according to the problem, we can understand. So, let us draw a figure like this. Now, let us consider AB. Let us consider AB as the building and AC is the shadow. So the total shadow cast by the building is 24 meters. Height of the building we don't know. So this is the question. And at the same time, what is that? There is a pole. Let me consider this. PQ is the pole which is 4 meters tall. And this is the shadow cast by this pole. This is 6 meters. Now the question is how tall is the building? So let me write AB is the height of the building. This is H meters. And PQ is the height of flag pole, that is equal to 4 meters. PC, it is shadow of the flag pole, that is 6 meters. AC, shadow of the building, that is equal to 24 meters. Now let us take the two triangles that you have got. In triangle CPQ and triangle ABC. In these two triangles, angle P is equal to angle A 90 degrees. It is natural. They both should be erected upon the base perpendicularly. Angle C is equal to angle C common. Therefore, triangle CPQ is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, triangle CPQ is similar to triangle ABC basing on angle corollary. In this way, they are similar. So, when they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, PQ by AB heights is equal to PC by AC. So what is PQ? 4 by AB is H is equal to PC is 6 by AC is 24. 6 1s are 6 4s are. So H is equal to 4 4s are 16. Therefore, height of the building, height of the building is equal to 16 meters. This is the answer of this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, let us see ninth problem. Ninth one is a little bit bigger one, so I'm going to read that for you, children. You can open your textbook and go through it. CD and GH, CD and GH are respectively. It goes on like this. So let me read this problem. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle FGE such that D and H lie on the sides of AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle FEG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, then show that they have given certain ratios. This only after drawing the figure you will be understanding. So first let me draw the figure. It is nothing but two triangles are there. One is triangle ABC and another one is triangle ABC and triangle FEG. ABC, FEG. These are the two triangles. CD and FE. CD and GH. Okay. CD and GH are bisectors of angle ACB. So I have got CD bisector of ACB and GH which is bisector of angle FEG. Angle FGE respectively. D and H lie on AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle FEG respectively. What they have given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Triangle FEG. Okay, this is given to you, and CD bisects angle ACB and GH bisects angle FGE. Okay, now what is RTP? You have got three RTPs. First one is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. This is the first one. And the second one, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. And third bit, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So these three we need to prove. So let us start the first one. We need to prove CD by GH. CD by GH is equal to AC by GF. This we need to prove. In order to prove this, we have got triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. It is given to us. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle G. What does this imply? Half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. So, in triangle, therefore, in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, in these two triangles, angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Why? Because the angles are equal. Why angles are equal? Because the triangles are similar. Already I have explained. And AC by FG is equal to what I can say? AB by FE we will be taking. AB by FE, that is equal to BC by GE. This we will be writing. But in this, what you can say, when you are writing the bisector of a vertical angle, then definitely it bisects the base also. This base also you can, they are bisecting. Either you can take this, children, otherwise in an before take without taking the sides, we can even take angle A is equal to angle F, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. This is convenient for us, children. In triangle ACD and in triangle FGH, these two angles are equal, we have proved, and angle A is equal to angle F because they are corresponding sides, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH basing on angle-angle corollary. When these two triangles are similar, what does this imply? This implies CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So the first bit we have proved. I hope I am clear, children. By taking what is given to us, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGE, we can say the corresponding angles are equal. So angle C is equal to angle G. But what is a half of angle C will be equal to half of angle G. Half of angle C is angle ACD. Why? Because CD is the bisector, they have already told. Similarly, half of angle G is this angle, that is angle FGH. So we will be saying that half of angle C means angle ACD is equal to angle FGH, and angle A is equal to angle F because the triangles are similar. So we can say that these two triangles are similar. When these two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. So first one we have proved. And second one, triangle CDB. You copy this, children. I'll do second one because there is no place to do second bit. So first you copy the first bit. I'll do the second bit. Second bit is you have to prove that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. This is also similar way. We know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. This is given to us. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle G. This implies half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. So here half of angle C means I will take now this side angle, that is angle BCD is equal to angle EGH. Also angle B is equal to angle E because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So these two angles are similar. Therefore, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE basing on angle corollary. This is the second bit. And third one, triangle DCA. You have to prove that triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. HGF. This you have already proved in first bit, because without proving that you cannot get this. So this is the solution for ninth problem, children. Please copy it. Now we'll be saying 10th one. Tenth bit. AX and dy are altitudes. AX and dy are altitudes of two similar triangles ABC and triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Prove that AX is to dy is equal to AB is to DE. This is the problem. Now you have two similar triangles, triangle ABC. Let me take this as ABC and DEF. These two are the similar triangles, and AX is an altitude. AX and DY are the altitudes. So what is given to us? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. AX is perpendicular to BC. DY is perpendicular to EF. What is RTP? You have to prove that AX is to DY is equal to AB is to DE. What is mean by that? This implies AX by DY is equal to AB by DE. So AX by dy is equal to AB by DE. That means if you could prove that these two triangles are similar, then you can prove that this ratio is possible. So let us take proof. Proof is in triangle ABX and triangle DEY. In these two triangles, angle X is equal to angle Y 90 degrees. This is given to us. They are perpendicular means they are 90 degrees. And angle B is equal to angle E because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY basing on angle corollary. So in this way they are similar. When they are similar, we can say that AX by DY is equal to AB by DE. Hence, proved. So this is 10th sum, children. Please copy it. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. Remaining part I will do in the next class.